guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of our fixer-upper house tour. If you didn't see part 1 yet, I will share the link under this video so you guys can check it out. Today I'm super excited because it's part 2. It's the inside. I will show you all the rooms in the house and share all the plans that we have for the renovations. But before I do that, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's go see my house. Welcome to my house. I hope you guys like it. This house has 5 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. This is one of the bedrooms in the main level of the house. The main level have 3 bedrooms and the lower level have 2. With the bedrooms, we're not planning to do too much, just painting the walls a lighter color and decorate. The main projects are gonna be the bathrooms and the kitchens. This is one of the bathrooms on this side of the house. And like you can see, this one definitely needs a full renovation. So we're going to take everything out. And here's another room. I love this house because if you can see, they have the crown molding and the baseboard with a wood tone or wood color, and I love it. At the beginning I was going to paint the crown moldings and the baseboard white and the door, but right now I love all this wood, so I'm going to keep it. And just trying to work a design or style a lot around the wood. This is the only area where the house have hardwood floors. The rest of the house have carpet everywhere and tile in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. We're going to replace the floors, and that's the kitchen. You see that island, kitchen island, that definitely have to go. And that's the dining area, and that's the living room. And one of the things we love about this house is the open floor plan, it was very hard for us to find an older home with open floor plan, but we found this one, so I love it. We already started working with the fireplace. I want the fireplace to be white because the house is very, very dark, so I want to brighten everything up. But we started with that project 3 months ago, but we never finished it. And that was before I decided to share all the renovation with you guys. So, but don't worry, I'm going to record the second fireplace that we have in the other level of the house. That way you guys can see it. This is another view of the living room, kitchen, and dining area. And we're going to leave everything the same in this area because everything is nice and open. So just change the colors of the walls white and brighten everything up. With the kitchen, we have a lot of work to do. We're going to add new countertops, replace the backsplash, paint the kitchen cabinets, new kitchen island, new sink, new appliances. I'm super excited about the kitchen renovation. Now we're in the other side of the house. That door take you downstairs, and that's the master bedroom. And that way is the garage. Now we're in the laundry room, and I'm super excited because I already started working with the laundry room, so that will be my next video. I'm so happy to show you all the renovations in the house. Here is the 2-car garage, and also is my working station. I spend a lot of hours working here. It's a very big car garage. This is the master bedroom. I love the view from this room. It's so nice, calm, and quiet. Here is the master bathroom. Here we're planning to do a full bathroom renovation. Take everything out. New tub, new shower, new floors, new vanity, new everything. A complete renovation here. Here is the closet for the master bedroom. Of course, it's going to be another project. Now let's go downstairs. I love that big window over there. It's very nice. And I don't know if you guys can see the walls have wallpaper. We will remove all the white paper downstairs and paint the walls white. And this is another room. It's a very big room and have a nice view too. And this room have a private bathroom, a full bathroom. Here is the bathroom. Hi guys. And we also will do a full bathroom renovation here too. And that's the closet over there. We have a lot of work to do in this house. And here we have another kitchen. This house have 2 kitchens, 2 fireplace, 2 living rooms, 2 dining area. It's a very big house, and the view from this area is very, very nice too. And this area have wallpaper everywhere, so I will remove all the wallpaper, new countertops in the kitchen, new splash. We'll do a full kitchen renovation too. And of course, replace the floors here. And I love the fireplace, it's so nice. Now we're in the other side, and here we have, I think, 1 bathroom, 1 full bathroom, and full bathroom renovation here too. Replace everything, new vanity, new shower, new floors, even though I like the floors though, but new everything. And here is another bedroom. We'll make this one the guest bedroom. And other door over there is an unfinished room, so probably this house, if we want, can have 6 rooms, but for now we only have 5. I hope you guys like our new fixer-upper house. We're so ready and excited to start with the renovations and share this experience with you guys. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching.